In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and print barcode labels in Shopify. Whether you're looking to streamline your inventory management or you simply want to make your retail operations more efficient, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Apps section in the left panel. Once you're there, look for the search function and type in Retail Barcode Labels. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Retail Barcode Labels app from the search results. You'll see an option to install. Click Install. This will add the app directly to your Shopify admin dashboard, giving you quick access without having to navigate through multiple menus. Follow the on-screen indicators as they appear. Everything is designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your product inventory is up to date and that you know which items need labels. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues when creating your barcodes. Once you've completed the installation, open the app and click on Get Started. Then click on Create Barcodes. You'll see several options that help you customize how your barcode labels will appear. Next, select a label type for your barcode template. This determines the size and style of your labels, so choose carefully to match your product dimensions. After setting up your template, click on Print Labels in the top right corner. Then select the products you want to print labels for. You can choose individual items or a bulk selection depending on your needs. After that, you should be able to print all your barcode labels seamlessly, ready to use in your store. It's also a good idea to double-check the label alignment before printing. This ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your inventory organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and print barcode labels directly from your Shopify dashboard, easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?